Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the first chapter of mathematics second means geometry is similarity. In the previous standard we learned what is similarity. Two figures are called similar if they have same shape, not necessarily the same size. Now look at here. Two figures are given here. They have same shape, means similar triangles are given, but the size are different here. It is one of the example of similar. Now look at here. Second example. These figures are called similar because they have same shape and size different here. Therefore, these are called similar figures. Now look at next. Ratio of areas of two triangles. Now look at the figures here. Two triangles are given here. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now B1 is the base of the triangle ABC and H1 is the height of the triangle ABC, and B2 is the base of the triangle PQR and H2 is the height of the triangle PQR. Base of a triangle is B1 and height is H1, and in PQR base is B2 and height is H2. Now first point. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the product of their bases and corresponding heights. Now look at here. 1/2 in the numerator and 1/2 in the denominator, both are cancelled, and finally the formula here is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 into H1 upon P2 into H2. Now look at next point. First look at the figures here. Triangle ABC base B1 and height is H, and base of the triangle PQR is B2 and height is H. Now look at here. Both the triangles ABC and PQR are of equal heights. Therefore heights are equal here. Therefore we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 upon P2, because here heights are equal, therefore it is cancelled. Therefore areas of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Now look at the next point. Look at here triangles ABC and PQR. B is the base of triangle ABC and H1 is height of the triangle ABC. Look at here. Second, B is the base of the triangle PQR and H2 is height of the triangle PQR. Both the triangles ABC and triangle PQR are of equal bases. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to H1 upon H2. Therefore, areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Now, next figure is, look at the triangle ABC and PQR. Now, both the triangles have the same base B and same height H. Both the triangles ABC and PQR are of equal bases and equal heights. Now look at here. These two triangles are of equal bases and equal heights. Now both triangles are equal. Therefore their areas are also equal. Therefore we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1/1. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. Therefore, we can write here areas of two triangles of equal bases and heights are equal. Now let us see how to solve practice set 1.1. First question is base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Now write the solution here. Let the base of the first triangle is B1. Therefore, the value of B1 here is given. Base is 9. Next, and the height of first triangle is H1. Therefore, the value of H1 is given here, which is equal to 5, and the base of second triangle is B2. Therefore, value of B2 is given here 10, and the height of the second triangle is H2. Therefore, value of H2 is equal to, it is also given, which is equal to 6. Now, let the area of the first triangle and second triangle are A1 and A2 respectively. Now, we know that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Write down here. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Therefore, we can write here A1 upon A2, area of the first triangle upon area of the second triangle is equal to product of base and height of first triangle and product upon product of base and height of the second triangle. Therefore, we can write here, substituting all the values, A1 upon A2 is equal to, now B1 is 9 into H1 is 5 upon B2 is 10 into H2 is 6. Now cancel it, solve it. We get here A1 upon A2 is equal to 5 1s are 5 2s are 3 3s are 3 2s are. Now we get here 3 into 1 upon 2 into 2. Therefore, A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 4. Write down the answer here. The ratio of the areas of the triangles is 3:4. Now look at the second question. In figure, BC is perpendicular to AB. Look at here, BC, it is perpendicular AB. AD is perpendicular AB. Look at here, AD, it is also perpendicular AB. BC is equal to 4. The value of BC is given here, which is equal to 4, and AD is equal to 8. The value of AD is equal to 8. Find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Now area of triangle ABC means this one, and area of triangle ADB is this one. Now write down here what is given. BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. Look carefully at the figure. AB is base and BC is height of triangle ABC, and AB is base and AD is height of triangle ADB. Therefore, bases are equal here. Triangle ABC and triangle ADB have same base. Areas of triangle with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Write down here. Areas of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Therefore, write down here, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. Now here both the triangles have same base, therefore write down here their height BC and AD. BC upon AD. Now substituting the values here, the value of BC 4 and AD is 8. Now cancel it. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. It is the answer of second question. Now look at third question. In adjoining figure, segment PS is perpendicular segment RQ. Now look at here. Segment PS, it is perpendicular to segment RQ, and segment QT means this one, it is perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is equal to 6, value of RQ is given here 6, PS is equal to 6, write down here values, and PR is equal to 12. Now the value of PR, which is equal to 12 here. Our aim is to find the value of QT. Now first one, segment PS is perpendicular segment RQ. It is perpendicular to segment RQ. Therefore, first consider here the triangle PRQ. Base of triangle is RQ and height is PS. Now we know that the formula of area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Therefore, write down the solution here. First, write down what is given in the problem. Now given here is Q is equal to 6, PS is equal to 6 and PR is equal to 12. Formula here, area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Right here, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into, now look at here, first area of triangle PQR, base is RQ and height is PS. Therefore, substituting the values here, half into RQ. Now the value of RQ is 6 into, and the value of PS is also 6. Cancel it, 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now we get here 3 into 6. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is equal to 6 threes are 18 square unit. Give it equation number 1. Now look at the triangle PRQ or PQR. Base is given here PR and height is QT. Therefore, we can write here, and area of triangle is same here, PQR is equal to, apply the formula, half into base. Now the base here is PR into height and height is QT. Now substituting the values we get here, which is equal to 1/2 into, now the value of PR is 12 into, our aim is to find the value of QT. Now cancel it, 2 ones are 2 6 are. Therefore, we get here area of, write down, triangle PQR is equal to 6 into QT square unit, of course, because it is area square unit. Give it equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, now look at both the equations. Left hand side is area of triangle PQR, here also area of triangle PQR. Both the equations contains the same left hand side, therefore right hand side is also equal. Therefore, write down here 6 into QT is equal to 18. Now dividing by 6 both sides, we get QT is equal to 18 upon 6. Now cancel it, 6 ones are 6 threes are. Therefore, QT is equal to 3. Now our aim is to find the value of QT. Therefore, QT is equal to 3. Or you can say that unit. Now look at next question. In adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular BC. Now look at here, AP, it is perpendicular BC, and AD is parallel to BC. AD, it is parallel to BC. Find Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Now look carefully at the figure. It is given that AD is parallel to BC. Now both lines are parallel here. We know that the distance between two parallel lines is constant. Now our aim is to find area of triangle ABC. Now look at here. Triangle is ABC. It is one of the triangle. And second is area of triangle BCD. Look at here. BC and D here. Now both the triangles same base, which is BC. Therefore write down here triangle ABC and triangle BCD have same base. BC. Now look at here. Both the triangles are drawn here into parallel lines. Hence, the distance between the two parallel lines is the height of the triangles. Here, one of the height is AP and next height if we take here is, now both the heights are equal. Therefore, both the triangles have same height. Write down here. Both the triangles are drawn into parallel lines. Hence the distance between, write down here, hence the distance between the two parallel lines is height of both triangles. Therefore, in triangle ABC and triangle BCD, common base is BC. And heights are also equal. And heights are equal. Therefore, areas of two triangles of equal bases and heights are equal. Therefore, write down here area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle BCD. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 upon 1. Therefore, write down the answer here. Therefore, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equal to 1:1. Now next question is, in adjoining figure PQ is perpendicular BC. Look at here, PQ is perpendicular BC AD is perpendicular BC. AD is also perpendicular BC. Then find following ratios. Now first one is area of triangle PQB upon. First find out area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Now look at triangle here. PQB. PQB. It is triangle, and PBC. Next is PBC. Look at this one. Now first triangle is PQB. PQB. Base is BQ and height is PQ. And next one is PBC. PBC. Base is BC and height is PQ. Therefore, write on here. In triangle PQB, base is equal to BQ and height is equal to PQ. And in triangle PBC, base, look at here, PBC, base BC and height is equal to PQ. Triangle PQB and PBC have same height PQ. Write down here. Therefore, triangle PQB and triangle PBC have same height PQ. Therefore, we know that area of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Therefore, write down here, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC is equal to, now base of triangle PQB is BQ, base of triangle PBC is BC. It is the answer of first one. Now second. Second question is area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. Now look at here, second question. Triangle PBC. PBC. Now the base is BC and height is PQ. Now next triangle is ABC. Next triangle is ABC. ABC. Now carefully look at the figure. Base is BC and the height is AD. Now both the triangles have same base. Write down here. In triangle PBC, base is BC and height is equal to PQ. And in triangle base BC and height AD. Now look at here. Both the triangles have same base BC. Therefore write down here triangle PBC and triangle ABC have same base BC. Therefore area of triangles write down here. With equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Therefore write down here area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC, which is equal to, now here bases are equal, therefore corresponding heights are PQ and AD. Write down here PQ upon AD. It is answer of the second one. Now third question is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. Now look at the diagram. Third question is area of triangle ABC. Now ABC base is BC and height is AD. Next triangle is ADC. Look at here. Next triangle is here AD and C. Base is CD and height is AD. Now both the triangles have same height. Write down here. Next one. In triangle ABC, base is equal to BC and height is AD, and in triangle ADC, base is equal to DC and height is equal to AD. Therefore write down here triangle ABC and triangle ADC have same height AD. Therefore we know that area of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. Therefore we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC is equal to, now heights are equal here, therefore corresponding bases are BC and DC. Write down here BC upon DC. It is answer of the third question. Now next, fourth question. area of triangle, find out area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. Now look at your figure. ADC means it is triangle ADC, base is DC and height is AD, and second one is PQC, this one PQ and C. Here base is QC and height is PQ. Now write down here, in triangle ADC, base is equal to DC and height is equal to AD, and in second triangle PQC, base is equal to QC and height is equal to PQ. We know that ratio of areas two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. Therefore, write down here, area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC is equal to, now product of their bases and corresponding heights, now ADC, DC and AD. Therefore, write down here DC into AD upon PQC, QC into PQ. It is the answer of fourth question. Allah Hafiz.